My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 9,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. This camper is 4 belts, 4 berths. So our double bed here transforms into 2 belted seats. We also have a full kitchen, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge, as well as lots of storage. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to Bluetooth, radio, phone connection, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Finally, we have the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.